Oh, hey, yeah, you want me to make you a knife? Like right now? Well, I could get you a twig, like, but you mean if I made you a twig, you'd give me like $80 for it, and just a twig? Just a twig, right? Oops, I forgot to hang up. I'm gonna make this happen. Oh, wait, it's night. Well, time to go to sleep. Ow, my head. Well, that's probably the best quality video I've ever made, and I'm pretty proud about it, you know. It's taken me hours from I haven't really ever done this, but for like I've been waking up for several days in a row from like 6:30 and then working till nightfall, which is like 5 o'clock, for several days straight just to get the knife where it is now. Um, so I put a lot of time and effort into it. Then I've put so that's roughly, let's see, that's roughly 10 hours of work because I have a 1 hour break. So yeah, I put about 20 hours into this knife, which isn't much, but I don't really make knives or do anything much, so I mean, I think this is pretty good. Then I put another 4 hours into, no, not four, excuse me, I put another, I'd say, yeah, I'd say about 3.5 hours of editing into this. It's taken quite a bit of my time, and I really enjoy doing this. I think I'm going to try to do like 1 or 2 videos a week and just work on something important and focus on quality instead of quantity like I've been doing in the past. Well, not like I've been doing. So I'm really interested in what I'm doing so far right now is just making knives, and it's really enjoyable, and I think I'd like to do that and just keep making videos about that stuff. But so with all this work I put into it, all I ask is that you subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and if you're feeling very generous today, at least share it with someone, please, and that'll make my day. So thank you all so very much for watching. I put a lot of time and effort into this. Stay tuned for part 2, and peace out until then.